Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today, doing a little bit of work on the MGB because despite my best attempts before, it is still gross. So already before, you haven't seen this, but I pulled the heater box. It is now over there next to the hot rod because the saga of mouse poop continues. So down in there is some mouse debris, and through those two holes, more mouse debris. So, basically this week I am cleaning the crap out of all of that, both literally and metaphorically. Then we're going to clean a little bit more out of the interior, and if all goes well, I'm going to ditch that carpet. So, now that that is out, it's time for more vacuuming. Let me get my pick out of the way. So not only in there, but also going to try to get around the there's less, but still more than I'd like. Which is any, for the record. Alrighty then, got that all vacuumed out. Got rid of most of those rat turds. And while I was at it, I also opened up the heater box and cleaned out. There wasn't much in there, but there was at least a little bit. So yeah, cleaned that out, vacuumed it up. I just got some crusty old foam, but that crusty old foam will probably do a good job of, still sealing stuff. So I'm going to just shove that back in there. That is the heater core. And then the top half of that goes on. Oh, that went in a very different spot. Or just flipped around. There we go. So that goes on like so, and those guys poke out. And this guy is held together by a bunch of these clips. Got one right here. Yeah. And there's depressions all around. So that one, and there's one there, there, and there. Maybe one right here. Not feeling it though. Anywho, I'm going to clip that back together and get it back installed. But before I do, we're not going to leave it just vacuumed. I want to do something to take care of the grossness. So I've got got this stuff. This is some enzyme type cleaner stuff for basically for pet stains and whatnot. It says kids and pets. Rats are close enough. So we're just going to spray all that in the heater box. And let that kind of sit and do its thing. That should hopefully clean up most of the crap we're dealing with. We might not be able to see, well, at least scrub this by feel. Alright, so I'll let that sit and do its thing, and then I'll come back to it later, but right now it is time for me to take a shower. Alright guys, heater box is back in and re-hooked up. Really it is just a couple screws along the bottom, that guy on top, fan wires, those hoses, and lots of swearing at it because these right here are like on top of the lip, so you need to pull them back and just deal with that. Giant pain in the ass, but not nearly as bad as a lot of cars. Anywho, now we're going to turn over to taking care of that carpet. I'm still trying to track down some actual carpet, but I can't stand to have that in here anymore. So we're going to have to get that out. Really, the only things we have to do are, I already pulled the console. That was or not really console, but the center stack. That was a pretty basic, just a couple screws. I really just got to take the seats out and the shifter. Seats are basically a bolt on the front and bolts on the back, and you slide it back to get to the front ones, slide it forward to get to the rear ones. They're not too bad to get to. I've had this one out before, and there was some stuff under it. We'll see what that one looks like. Alright guys, like I said, I haven't seen underneath this yet. I've taken the driver's seat out before. As you can see, it's out there. It's kind of gross. I did vacuum underneath it before, but I have never seen what's underneath the passenger seat, so this will be news. Get that last bolt out. Oh my. That is disgusting. That is a whole bunch of mouse poop. Oh my god. Well, I think I'm going to saturate that with bleach. And I did find it's really not actually good to vacuum this up, so what I'm going to do is saturate that with bleach. And it is actually late tonight because I do this after work. I do have a day job. So yeah, I'm going to deal with that tomorrow. Going to need some trash bags. Okay, finally going to start tearing that stuff out. It should mostly just be 3 pieces. I'm putting a respirator on because, yeah. carpet. Alright, so that's the carpet out. I'm going to open the door. Because I should have opened that door a while ago. And I'll spray this down, give it a gentle sweeping, and probably use the vacuum for the last of it. So they do say to wait 5 minutes between spraying and disturbing it, so I'm going to spray it and let it sit, and then we can give it some sweeps. The door cards will still look nice. At least that's something. I'm going to recover those soon too. Also, more carpet I forgot, so I'm going to take care of that too. Probably. Alright, it is time to sweep up the goo. The passenger side is extra worse because that's where the mice actually ate through the carpet. Oh my god, so many leavings. Look at that. That is disgusting. All right, I think we're at a pretty good stopping point, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. There's less, but still more than I'd like, which is any.